Here are 10 facts that can save your life. Number 1, if you're ever getting chased by a swarm of bees, don't jump into a body of water. That's movie logic. Bees will just wait above the surface like tiny winged assassins, ready to sting you the second you come up for air. Instead, run away from the hive in a straight line as fast as you can. They will chase to protect their hive, so once you're far enough away, they should stop. And if you can, dive into a car or a building and just make sure it's not a lake. Number 2, if you're ever being followed in a car, turn right 4 times. Doing this will form a complete circle, so if the same vehicle is behind you, there's no doubt you're being followed. At that point, don't drive home. You don't want to lead them to where you live. Instead, head toward a police station or a fire department. And whatever you do, don't stop or confront them. Stay on the move and call 911 while keeping your doors locked and your windows up. Number 3, if you're chilling at the beach and you see a purple flag, don't go into the water. That flag means dangerous marine life has been spotted, like jellyfish or stingrays. So whenever you see that purple flag, I'd suggest staying out of the water. Number 4, if you're ever abducted and they stuff you in the trunk of a car, kick out the taillight, then stick your hand through and wave to attract help. Most people on the road will notice something that's strange and call the police immediately. Also, many new cars have a glow-in-the-dark emergency trunk release inside. So if you can't kick out the light, feel around for the latch and pull the handle to escape. Stay calm, act fast, and use every second wisely. Number 5, if someone hands you a glass of water that smells like cinnamon, don't drink it. I know that sounds oddly specific, but cinnamon is sometimes used to hide the smell of poison. Trust your gut and your nose, and if something smells off, it probably is. Number 6, if you're in another country and you don't know the emergency number, dial 112. It's basically the international version of 911, and it connects you to local emergency services almost anywhere on Earth. Number 7, never walk downstairs with your hands in your pockets. If you slip, you'll faceplant like a Looney Tunes character, except it won't be funny. You'll have no way to break your fall, and head injuries from this are more common than you think. Number 8, if you're ever being eaten alive by insects, coat yourself with mud. It should block their bites and may mask your scent. When the mud dries and starts flaking off, make sure you apply more. You'll look like a swamp monster, but hey, better a muddy monster than mosquito food. Number 9, if you're ever stuck in complete darkness and don't have access to any candles, try using a crayon. Seriously, a single crayon can burn for up to around 30 minutes. Just light the paper wrapper like a wick. It's not pretty, but it works. It's like the dollar store version of a survival candle. Number 10, if you ever see square waves in the ocean, get out immediately. They're called cross seas, and they create deadly underwater currents that can pull you down even if you're an Olympic swimmer. Boats avoid them for this reason. Those waves can flip ships in seconds. So yeah, next time you're swimming, driving, or just walking downstairs, remember these, because one day, one of these random facts could actually save your life. The world's a wild place, but knowledge is your best defense. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe. And for more shocking facts, make sure to check out this video right here.